Good day, everybody. This is Christine. I have two journals that I made a little while back and I never got around to posting them to my YouTube channel. So I figure I may as well go ahead and do that, and I'll eventually get them in my Etsy shop as well if they're not there already. So these are made for journaling the first years of a baby girl's life. And I've got two here, one that says Sweetie and one that says Cutie. And I embellished the front with these flowers and a button. And this little title, I think it's by K & Company, and it's got glitter on it. And then this one is basically almost the same, and it too has a little title with glitter on it. It says Cutie. And I have a little closure here, a little elastic closure that just wraps around this little knob. And I made this using eyelets and just a round fastener, a prong fastener. On the side I have 3 buttons, and they cover the 5 signatures that I've got in each of these albums. So here's the other one. And then on the back I just have a little tag where you can write a date on there. So let me take you through these. I'll just start with this one. Now, because I'm posting this in my Etsy shop, I'll go through both albums, but I'll try and do it quickly. They're basically constructed the same way. The papers are a bit different. Now on this one I have a little charm, this little flower that I attached to the elastic. And on this one I did the same. It's a little star. So in the front of the journal I've got a little pocket and a tag. It says she's finally here, and it's just plain on the back for journaling. And also these have there's 80 sheets or 80 pages, and they're two-sided, so there's room for mementos and journaling on 160 pages total. So this reads Baby Girl, and on the inside there's a little tag, and you can slide something behind there. And this is some parchment paper that I had in a copper color and an ivory color. And then here I've got some thick sketch paper. So they're good quality papers in here. Here I've got a doily and some more scrapbook paper. You can put photos there. And here's some lined paper that you can write on. And I have another little pocket here with a little tag that opens. And there's the other side of the doily. And then here there's a cute little butterfly, and there's some glitter on this paper. I've got some musical notes paper. Again, some more parchment. And there's also lots of room for stamping. And there's another one, and this reads Sweet Baby. And slide something behind here. And here's the third signature. Another little tag here. And you can also add some more pockets and flaps if you like. but I try to leave it fairly plain inside. That way it can be customized by whoever gets it. Dream come true. Another little tag. Tag. Doily. It says it's a girl. And Hello Cutie. Very pretty light colored papers. And that's it for this journal. Now the other journal is constructed the same way, and it basically uses the same parchment and sketch papers and line papers. So I'll just go through the designer papers because those are the ones that are a little bit different. So here's this tag in the pocket. And here it reads, cute as a button. So there's the design paper. So like I said, these are constructed the same way, so I'll just go through these very quickly. And this one, yeah, this is a little bit different. I've got a little flap here. Sweetheart. Little glittered elephants. So like I said, you can add your own embellishments in there and do some stamping. Add pockets and flaps. There's a nice mix of different papers in here. Daddy's little girl. I'll eventually have to make a boy journal. That's a cute little image of a stork. A new arrival. Babies are such a nice way to start people. That's a cute little saying. Another flap. So that's it for my little baby girl journals. These would make actually cute gifts for baby showers or a little baby arrival gift. Anyways, I'll include links to my Etsy shop in the description of this video. Have a nice day and happy scrapping. Bye.